I bought this 3D printer, pretty cheap. It's nice, does good job. I mean, everything works. But when I go to print things out, it does this. I'm trying to print out the Banshee, and instead of going straight up, as you see how it started out, it starts coming sideways. I mean, it starts building up sideways. It's really strange. If anybody knows why, please let me know. This is the Tronxy P802M. It doesn't have an auto level, so I had to do that myself. Now, no biggie. But yeah, it's giving me issues. If anybody has any settings for this thing, that'll be awesome. This is PLA 1.75 millimeters. I also have the ABS 1.75 millimeters. That one was a little harder, so I wanted to go with this one to try out. But yeah, still getting weird results. Yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you.